Okay, want to hit that $30,000 mark online in the next 30 days? We're skipping the nonsense today. Let's dive right into the 30-day digital income blueprint. But let's clear the air right out of the gate. This isn't magic. There are absolutely no get-rich-quick shortcuts hiding on the internet. It takes real skills and actual hard work. You ready? Let's go. Now, $30,000 a month sounds intimidating, right? Let's break the math down. Literally just focus on making 1,000 rupees a day. 1,000 rupees daily for 30 days, boom, there's your 30K. Suddenly, it's way more doable. So where does that daily thousand come from? High income skills. We're talking video editing, graphic design, website development, or content writing. You could even master AI tools or sell digital products. You literally just need to pick one. Don't have any of those skills yet? No worries. Here's your action plan. Step 1. Spend 7 to 10 days just learning one skill. Step 2. Pitch your new services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly on social media. Step 3. Lock in those small beginner clients to get your foot in the door. So, the only real question is, are you ready to put in the hustle? With the right skill and some patience, that 30,000 rupees is absolutely possible. Hit subscribe right now for more practical online earning tips. Let's get to work.